I think it's more important than ever now that we in the Western countries, the United States, Italy as well as the United States, and France and Germany and all the G7 countries really should. It's a good time for all of these economies to begin to thinking about what must be done to increase the dynamism of the economy. What do we have to do in order to have a pretty high rate of growth as a normal feature of the economy, not just rather than something that recurs once in a while when we're lucky enough to have a boom. And so we've got to review. We've got to review the structure of the economy from top to bottom. We've got to look at the adequacy of the financial sector as a supporter of innovation. We have to look at the adequacy of the way managers are chosen to run the country's business. Do we have a system for choosing managers that it creates entrepreneurship in the companies? And what about the consumers and the managers who make the decisions about adoption of innovations? Do they have the necessary background to make those evaluations? Do they have the confidence to act on evaluations, to adopt new innovations? Dynamism comes from a system with many linkages, many parts, and there's a great deal to be done to reform the system. But I think it's time. The only way we're going to get back to a pretty good rate of growth as a normal feature of business life is by doing a lot over a wide range to increase the dynamism of the